Hello once again everybody, it's 11:21 and 10 seconds on September 5th. This is the drawing for the Avengers number 9, the first Wonder Man. Over here on the left are the 15 filled spots. I'm going to roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 12th roll. Get the book and I should be able to ship it today. Worst case, it will ship out tomorrow the 6th. So good luck everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is the final one coming up. Spot 15, Jeff Lewis, congratulations, that's back to back. You won the Journey into Mystery and the Avengers. That's my fax machine going off, so I guess it's time to go back to work. It's 11:22 and 6